This is my next project. It's a 24-foot center console Mako. I believe it's a Mako. There's nothing on it that says that, but I think from the whole design, I might be right, but I could be wrong. Either way, what we're going to be doing on this, if you can't tell already, is everything. We've got to cut out these forward stringers first. They're probably rotten, so I'll pull these out, cut those out, replace those. I'm going to put all new stringers up, front to back. Gas tank. Put in a few PVC pipes for wires and cables, what have you. This whole center console will be refurbished. And then once the stringers are in, we'll put in a deck. I'm going to be painting up to the gunnel and also all gripping the gunnels. This guy put in a transom with epoxy with some fiberboard, so I will be remedying that too. It's gonna need some more fiber. This is a little low here, and we're going to do the rest of this with polyester though, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to run not a bead, a length of fiber across the deck once it's in, with epoxy, and just paint everything with all grip. I think is what we're going to be doing, but then polyester gel coat the rest of the deck. So that's kind of what's going on here. I don't think we're going to be doing much on the bottom right away, but we were talking about maybe spraying the hull along with the transom with some all grip. So I don't know, that's what we're doing so far. Please do subscribe and like this video. If you do, anyways. Thanks.